So I'm running super late, but I got off of work late. Des and I are getting ready to go to a resident event. They're making candles, so I gotta hurry up. Yeah, so you guys are gonna come make candles with me. I'm actually super excited about this. Okay, let's go. We got our little bag. We got that from the resident event. And this is our candle. So I would rate it a 9 out of 10. What would you rate it? I really would rate it a 10 out of 10. Really? I mean, they had all the supplies. It was ready. They had the, I mean, the only thing I don't like is like this. Well, for me, it's the tequila thing. Like, I don't drink like that.
I thought they was just gonna have like regular
vases.
Like, yeah.
I low key want to rip this sticker off.
They gonna be able to tell.
Let me not do that until I get my thumbnail before I mess it up.
But yeah.
But it was cute. Like, I mean, they provided everything. The smell, the fragrance that they gave us smelled good, but they only let us get like one little shot.
Yeah, they should have let us get more than that. I mean, I can smell it, but I can't.
I can smell it when I stick my nose up to it. So hopefully when we burn it, it actually smells good.
Let me smell yours. I can smell yours.
You can smell mine? Let me see. not.
Did you mix yours up?
Yeah.
And you have more oil than me.
I did.
You have more
That's
oil
why
than
I'm
me.
just so confused.
Maybe it's just when you burn it.
Yeah.
But overall, it was a really cute resin event. I liked it. I enjoyed it.
And we're gonna go to more. Period.
Yes, there's another one. Is it next week? Or is it the week after?
It's a pie making one. I think it's next week. Yeah.
I'm not a big pie person, but we can go.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
But yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in. This is probably gonna be a super short video, but I just want to take y'all on the process of making my first candle.
That's the end of this vlog, guys.
It was so cute. See you next time.